Hi, it's Jeff Cable, and today I want to talk to you about the different focus modes of your camera. Now, a lot of people don't understand that there are different modes that you can shoot in. There's fixed focus and servo focus. This is at least on the Canon, or follow focus on other cameras. What you want to do is, depending on what you're shooting, you want to use those different modes. If you're doing a portrait, you can use a fixed focus, lock in focus on their eyes, and shoot. But if you're shooting anything that's moving towards you or away from you, you want to use a follow focus, or what Canon calls AI servo. This allows me to hold the camera up, get the focus point on that subject, and as they're coming toward me or away from me, I can track them, or the camera does it for me, which makes life really easy. Now, if I'm shooting someone like Michael Phelps, he's really fast. So what I'll do is I'll use the camera and lens combination with IO servo and let it do the work. So I use back button focus. I'll hold the button down on the back and I will go ahead and track Michael as he's swimming. And the minute his head will come up and break the plane of the water, that's when I fire off a bunch of shots. Trying to do this manually or in a fixed focus won't work very well. In the case of fixed focus, if I try to lock focus on Michael Phelps and he moves 3 feet or whatever he might move, by the time I hit the shutter button, he's already out of focus. Anytime you're shooting sports, you probably want to be in IO servo. This is true for wildlife as well. Anytime you have a moving subject, keep your focus mode in IO servo. It'll help the camera and you keep your subject in focus so you have a nice sharp image every time.